How can you and your colleagues upskill to adapt to cloud computing? Today we look at how to transition your skills and create your own opportunities. Andy, could you give us a few examples of what each person can do to evolve in their own roles?
Absolutely. I think the key is to, first off, understand what they want to achieve as individuals, and that's something that their HR departments can help them to achieve. Figure out what that end state looks like for them. In a brave cloud world, how can they thrive in their existing roles? How can they position themselves for the next role that they want to achieve? And then they can build a plan to get from where they're at now to where they want to be. And that's certainly something that HR and training and development can help them with, so that they can start achieving those interim steps. They can take the training, they can gain the knowledge, they can develop the skills, so that when they're ready to move on to a new role, they're already cloud prepared for that and they're good to go.
They've got to realize that some of the roles are going to change fundamentally. A business analyst, for instance, and a system analyst might work together right now. They may become one role, so that the business analyst needs to sort of pick up those extra skills and be ready for that role that's evolving and be able to promote themselves within the company.
And if you look at the IT roles, they are expanding in two different directions. Within just IT, traditionally people are more silo, specialized skill set. Network people, just network skill set and security skill set. Now they have to broaden their skill set. They have to be expanded to end, so that they can actually be useful and relevant in the cloud, delivering the cloud world. And the other thing they have to do, other than the technical, they have to align themselves and understand the corporate mission and vision. Now IT is being asked to align itself with corporate goals. And so when I talk about IT, it's individuals. Now everybody, when we do a project, you have to understand the impact, what that project is doing to the corporate goal, how it is improving or adding value to the corporate mission. That is very important. So people have to be open-minded, willing to learn different skill sets and understand the end-to-end business.
So following up on that, Vijay, as a cloud service provider, what conversations do your clients need to be having with you?
Very simple. Traditionally, when you deliver IT services, it's an IT discussion. When we deliver cloud, what we would like to hear from the client is business requirement, not IT requirements.
What recommendations would you make to those responsible for training and development within an organization?
I think the key message here is do something. There's nothing to be afraid of with cloud. It's an opportunity. HR, training and development professionals, they know how to develop people. It's what they're good at, it's what they do every day with huge amounts of success. All they need to do now is apply a cloud filter, a cloud vision to that, so that they can adapt those plans and they can create a workforce that can leverage the opportunities that cloud presents to the organization.
And traditionally, when you look at IT projects, they have been run like an IT project. What we would like to see, the organizations have to run this project as business project. So, and you have to include different roles and players into the team. Usually, if you look at the traditional project, there's IT, project managers, IT, and very little role played by, for example, HR, and training and education, and finance. Now with the cloud, it's a business project. You have to include HR, include finance, include a total business team. So it has to be run like a business project, not an IT project.
And make sure that you've got a baseline of skills across the entire organization, that everybody's included. And it's got to be done quickly, because it's moving ahead rapidly. And that gap is going to widen every single day. And if those skills, it's going to be very hard to catch up afterwards.
Don't wait to upskill and adapt to cloud computing. Get ahead of the crowd by updating your skills, expanding your knowledge, and being prepared. To learn more, join Global Knowledge for its free webinar series starting June 18th. Details below this video.